So hello my friends. So today I want to review Otterbox case. I want to review Otterbox case Defender for iPad third generation, iPad 3 2018. And let's take a quick look what is going on here. So as you see, it's looks like it's traditional, like case for iPad that everyone get used for, but there is some kind of small details because of this new iPad has very teeny frame, right? It's very narrow frame. It's almost no frame from edge to edge glass. Everything is screen. So there is a little bit tricky to hold it. As for me, when you hold it regular iPad, you have a space for this finger. Here, you need to be very accurate, right? Because you don't want to touch like screen, you need to hold it, and there is not a lot of space for holding it. So other thing is why you probably needed this iPad. This iPad screen comes with a plastic film on here, so it's absolutely a bad idea to put plastic on this perfect, amazing screen, and that is why, first of all, what you need to do first when you receive this Otterbox Defender, you need to heat it up with hair dryer, and like, of course, you take the iPad out from this Defender case, and you take just a like piece with a plastic film, like on a screen protector plastic. So plastic is a very bad idea. It's the first thing you need to do. You heat it up on a side of this case protector and then put it aside, just peel it out, right? So what else you need to do? But if you do that like regular, I do it all the time. I'm a big fan of Otterbox cases, but for my phones I do that. For everything I buy in Otterbox, I like Defender because I don't worry about if something fell down, hit the edges, or anything will happen with my like expensive device. So everything works fine. Everything works fine with all kind of cases. With this case, however, if you take out this plastic film, you don't see it like very, but you can move little bit shaky. The frame itself, so the plastic frame is fragile. It's not super steady. And other thing, you can what I usually do. I take out this plastic film, put a glass protector from real cool, expensive glass, maybe a paperlike or something, a matte finish, any glass protector for $10 from Amazon. It's like pretty good. And then on top of that, you can put a Otterbox case. That's okay. It's no problem. Right now, you see it's no plastic. This screen has no plastic film and this paper-like on this iPad. And on top of that, there is a Otterbox case. So what is the main concern for this iPad? It says there is a possibility to charge, right, and connect the Apple Pencil. It's Apple Pencil number 2, right? And it's maybe the only one protective case that allowed right now in the market to connect and charge to protect the iPad, and also the same way in the same time to charge it and protect it and synchronize with iPad. Because all the time when you need to draw, you need to connect it. So even if it's 100% charged, you need to connect it first. So that thing is awful. That's I don't like at all. So what is this? It's just a piece of rubber that couldn't be controlled in any way. So it's supposed to be like that. You just put it here, lock it, right? And the idea was that you somehow you take this thin out, and that portions maybe need to be in like in a track, in a groove, to have pencil access to the iPad. But it's never happened. You see, it's never happened because it doesn't really work for fine. So it's all the times this flap it comes out all the way, and you have this is a disease for all Otterbox cases from the time maybe 1 2 year or 2 years. This rubber thing, I don't know what kind of material that is, that so it's a shell, like rubber shell, becomes over flexible, I don't know, so it's starting to comes out from the edges. It doesn't, it stop be attached tight, this rubber thing. It happens with every Otterbox case for phones or iPads anytime, just 1 year or 2 years, and this will be loose like that. And this portion is already loose. So how it will be in 1 year, I don't know. So my idea, probably, I will cut it as well. So what I will do, I will cut with this groove, right? And it will be leave this portion of rubber that's supposed to be in a plastic groove in it, and it will be in it, and this thing will be free access. So I will just cut it out. Probably it will be the best idea what I will do that. Okay, next step is this case goes with the lid. This is a lid. Lid is awesome. So you can put your iPad just on top of that. You can and have an angle, right? But I'll show you like that. This one is an angle. So it's two angles stand for iPad. It could be wide angle, so narrow angle, or up to 90 degrees angle. Up to 90 degrees angle. You see, it's almost 90 degrees here. So what is nice, when it stays on the table, it's very comfortable to watch. What is not comfortable is to reach, for example, if you watch YouTube, right, and you open it in a full motion, yeah. So there is a button, right, to make this video smaller, right, and it's pretty difficult to catch, to reach this angle, to make this video smaller. Otherwise, it's okay. When you flip it, you just come in, and your screen, your expansive screen, that is very difficult to change, is protected. Also, there is a storage. There is a storage for pen. It just comes like that. No problem. I like this stand and this lid. It comes like that, or it could be done. It could be attached from the back side. Never use it like that, in fact. So I always take it from there and use it without this lid, without this shell. But some people probably will like it in both ways. So they have also this thing to prevent its better traction with table, and it's very hard to move. You feel this traction on the table. Okay, this is this was all for now, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.